there was a capacity planning team where their whole focus was capacity planning, and there was a monthly report that had to be given to executives. I think that was a team of 6 or 8 people, can't quite remember, but 2 of those people dedicated 2 weeks a month to just building that report. So that's about 160 hours worth of manpower that they could have been doing, let's be honest, they could have been doing something better with that time. With Visual One, that really got cut down to an hour. They logged onto Visual One, they exported their capacity planning report into a PDF, they compared it with previous results, and then they just sent it up. So it saves them time, it saved them money, because I'm pretty sure those 2 engineers that you're probably paying a good amount of money to, now they can focus on bigger picture things, and it's just more efficient. I mean, why would you take 2 weeks to do something that can be done in an hour? We already automated for you.